Hey guys, it's me, Vel, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I remove my makeup and my skincare routine for the nighttime. Although it changes every single time, I feel like I don't use the same product every single day. I do have very problematic skin, but today I'm just going to show you guys how I remove my makeup, and that's about it. I'm just going to do like the quickest skincare routine that I do, and let's get started. Alright, I don't even know where to look. Alright guys, so the first thing that I do like to do is remove my makeup using the Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. I love these. Like one wipe can get the job done, so I obviously, look, it's pretty big. So the first thing I do, which is so relaxing, is I just peel these babies off, fake lashes. Feels satisfying every time. Then I just go ahead and remove the makeup. I look crazy. I'm gonna put my hair up. I look crazy, so I'm sorry. It's been a long day, Super Bowl Sunday. I kind of vlogged a little, so hopefully I'll be putting something up. So yeah, these really get the job done. Like, I love how fast they work. Look at all that. So these take off most of the makeup, but they don't remove like all the stuff that's in your face. So you really have to go in with like a cleanser and all that kind of stuff. And I try to wipe my hair because it gets in my hair and it sucks. See? All this makeup in my hair looks gross. And I just like kind of go inside my eye to remove the liner. Hopefully I'm looking at the right angle because I think I'm like recording through the mirror, and I'm sorry if my mirror is dirty. Like, the first thing I like to use is the Velma I Purifying Gel Cleanser. The bottle looks gross, so I don't want to show you. I don't want to show you too close. It looks gross, so I'll let you see it from here. But this is Purifying Gel Cleanser Activated Charcoal. Now I am on the PR list for Velma I, so that is why I have a lot of their products. But even if I didn't, I have run out of some stuff and I purchased it on my own. So they're a really good, like, natural company. And anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna try to make it to where you guys can see me, but I'll wet my face a little bit. I always use my Diwali little machine that they sent me to try out for them. And I always use this to exfoliate, but I'm not gonna use it today. Today I'm going to actually use an exfoliator, so I'm just going to pour some on my hand, and that is what the product looks like. As you guys can see, that's what it looks like. It's just black, and I just like to take a little tiny amount and rub it in my hands, and obviously rub it in. Okay, and then I just gently pat it dry. Hopefully, I'm sorry, the lighting's gonna be bad in here because I'm in the bathroom. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Velma I Purifying Daily Detox Scrub. She looks like that. I'm just gonna pop a little bit on my hand. Rub, as you guys can see, that's what it looks like. And I'm just gonna gently, very gently, rub it into my problem areas. And that just like completely takes off all the dead skin. I do have like some breakouts, so that's why I like to use this to really get into like the skin and deep clean. And then if we want, I usually do go in with a purifying 2-in-1 charcoal mask. I don't do this every night. I do it once a week, and since I just did one, I'm not gonna today. But usually this is what it would be. But like I said, I'm not gonna go into it today because I've already done a mask. And the last step is moisturizing. I usually use whatever I have on hand. Right now, this is the one that Lux sent me, and this is their moisturizer. It's super amazing. Like, that's what it looks like. It's like a jelly moisturizer, but this is like, if you're someone that's really dry, oh my god, this gel is amazing. It feels so good, and you can instantly feel like your skin's so soft. But yeah, it feels so soft when you put it on. But yeah, that's all I do to remove my makeup, and I just go in with whatever cleanser I'm using, whatever exfoliator, whether I use the like little machine or the scrub, and then I just go in with a mask once a week, and then I always top it off with a moisturizer. It's really simple, really fast. This is like my really fast routine. When I do a face mask once a week, I do so many more things. So let me know if you want to see an in-depth skincare video, but this is what my skin looks like right now. Clearing up a lot of face, so that's good. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick video. If you have any questions, leave it in the description box and I'll answer them. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.